Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sirs. Thank you.
कैसे हो फरीना?
I'm good, sir.
Present time you are posted in
Sir, UP as a deputy collector.
this district,
Presently, I'm in Sitapur district, sir.
right? वहाँ पे काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? सीतापुर की डेमोग्राफी आप थोड़ा सा डिफाइन
Sir, so Sitapur basically is a rural setup. Majority of the population, around 89% of the population in Sitapur district belong to rural culture. So basically, agriculture-based economy is there in Sitapur. Presently, to capture that thing, we are trying to do some basic schemes also, like Agri Stack for agriculture in Sitapur. And apart from that, the work experience also belongs to land areas, because Sitapur is a very large district in terms of area also. That is why we are trying to modernize that land thing also in Sitapur.
बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या, बिगेस्ट चैलेंज क्या देखा वहाँ पे अभी?
Sir, basically, the biggest challenge in Sitapur is this poverty in Sitapur is very crucial challenge in Sitapur, because majorly rural population is there and dependent on agriculture.
Poverty कोई चैलेंज होता है या
sir.
poverty बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मेजर चैलेंज होता है?
Sir, actually poverty, we can take it both ways. Poverty in itself is a challenge also, because poverty creates a vicious cycle. Because if there is poverty, then it creates challenges related to health, related to education, and that in turn creates the vicious cycle of poverty, I would say.
दुनिया में बहुत सी ऐसी जगह रही हैं जहाँ पे poverty रही है और वहाँ पे और उनको लाइवलीहुड, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी ये सब दे दी जाती है। तो poverty एक स्टेज है जहाँ पर आपके पास फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस नहीं है।
सर,
तो आपके हिसाब से आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आप वो कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हो जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पे लोगों को जो है वो पॉवर्टी से निकलने में मदद हो?
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, the opportunity for employment generation in Sitapur is very vast. For example, like
in any specific area?
In Sitapur, sir? Sir, in Sitapur, there are various rural areas, like there is one tehsil called Leherpur Tehsil. There, the production of this sugarcane is very much prominent. So we can create the setup where sugarcane based products can be created, like there is scope for ethanol blending, there is scope for sugar, there is scope for sugar mills. And apart from that, there are certain areas in Sitapur where this carpet making is very much prominent under one district, one product. So we can like in Sitapur, as an administrator, what we can do is we can promote those industries, those agro based industries, I would say, so that the rural population of Sitapur can get some benefit out of there.
हाय, क्या आप भी आईएएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप पीसीएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? बहुत दिनों से आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिली। भागदौड़ करने के बावजूद भी आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा। सिर्फ आपका टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, आपका पेशेंस जवाब दे रहा है। इसी टेंशन को दूर करने और आपकी हर एक समस्या का समाधान लेकर आए हम, यानी ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। यहाँ हम आपको सिखाएंगे आईएएस और पीसीएस जैसे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे आसान तरीके से की जाती है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन फॉलो किया जाता है, कैसे अनुशासन रखा जाता है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम आईएएस और पीसीएस बने और अपनी जिंदगी के सारे सपने पूरे करें, तो अभी ज्वाइन करें ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। बिकॉज when we support the word selfless, the whole universe will support you endlessly.
सीतापुर के पास नैमिषारण्य है
सर,
आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पड़ता है
सर,
जुरिडिक्शन में आता है
सर।
उसको कैसे देखते हो, कभी गए वहाँ पे?
Yes, sir. I have been to Naimisharanya. It is a very we are promoting Naimisharanya as the second most I would say in terms of religion, we are promoting as a religious tourism destination.
लेकिन अभी के सुनने में नहीं आया।
Sir, on ground we are working on it. For example, in Diwali, we tried to celebrate the Deepotsav. It was the second biggest Deepotsav after Ayodhya in Naimisharanya. Although we are doing it on a small scale right now, but we are trying to take up projects of tourism so that the religious tourism can be promoted in
और ऐसा क्यों
Naimisharanya.
हो रहा है कि नैमिषारण्य का नाम उस तरह से हाईलाइट नहीं हो रहा है? क्या उसके पास में एक जगह है खैराबाद,
Sir.
तो क्या वहाँ से बहुत, वहाँ पे पुअर्टी बहुत है, तो क्या हम एक ऐसे रीजन के पास है जहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत है, अगर हम टूरिज्म को बढ़ाते हैं, हम चीज़ों को बढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी वहाँ पर जो है वो प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों हैं? जैसे आपने कहा शुगर केन,
Sir.
तो सीतापुर में पानी की बड़ी समस्या रही है, और शुगर केन एक ऐसी फसल है जिसको पानी बहुत चाहिए,
Sir.
तो फिर आप तो एक क्लाइमेटिक डिजास्टर भी तो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।
Sir.
हम्म,
Sir, the opportunity for, first of all, I would like to answer on this Naimisharanya part.
हम्म,
Naimisharanya part, we are trying to, actually the problem is that whenever someone comes to visit Naimisharanya, there is a little scope for their residence. I would say in terms of whenever someone goes to visit some place, then there has to be some accommodation. So we are planning some village homestays there, so that anyone who comes to visit Naimisharanya at least have some glimpse of that, at least spend the evening in Naimisharanya to see that beauty of that place. And moreover, sir, the problem is this Naimisharanya lies along this highway along Lucknow. So a concept called backwash effect, I would say, that affects the development of that area of Khairabad, because majorly the money supply does not take place, because even the people of Sitapur, if they want to spend some money, they try to go to Lucknow to spend those. So we are trying to create a setup and infrastructure, so that people of Sitapur itself, first of all, they would come out and then they would try to spend some money, so that the money would circulate in Sitapur itself first.
अच्छा, as a geography student,
Sir.
ऑप्शनल आपका geography रहा है, how can you relate this problem with center place theory?
Sir, center place theory is a theory which provides an appropriate location for the development of an urban center. And center place theory, for example, I would say, if
Can you apply this
Sir.
theory in case of Sitapur Lucknow relationship?
Sir, for center place, there has to be, first of all, we need to create a market to create a center place theory, so that the region around which that center place is developed, it can attract the development. Lucknow can be a center place, and the area around Lucknow, for example, the regions in Lucknow Mandal, like Rai Bareli is there, Sitapur is there, Hardoi is there, that those areas can provide the raw materials for the development of market in Lucknow, and that can create employment opportunities for people in Lucknow as well as in the areas around Sitapur and other regions.
Right. Up to you.
So Farheen, आप जितना कुछ बोल रहे हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
and you've recently joined.
Yes, ma'am.
So जो चीज़ आप बोल रहे हैं कि ऐसा
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
रहे हैं, हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कर रहे हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
या ऐसा कर सकते हैं,
Ma'am.
इससे पहले किसी को ख्याल नहीं आया ये सब करने का?
Ma'am, certainly the administration there has been doing very well since long time, but there were some areas which were left out. For example, I just talked about Naimisharanya. It is called Nimsar. So the problem was everyone was attracted to Ayodhya. Everyone who used to visit there for religious tourism was attracted to Ayodhya. So some areas which were not into very much limelight in the earlier days, we are actually planning to develop those areas in Sitapur.
So Farheen, आपने अभी जब ज्वाइन किया है तो एवरेज
Ma'am.
एज आपके फेलो कॉलीग्स की क्या होगी, आपके साथ के जो लोग हैं?
Ma'am, average age of my fellow colleagues is around 30 to 33 years.
And there must be many who would be much elder to you.
Yes, ma'am.
कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि वो आपको किड क्लब्स से ट्रीट करते हैं, पेट्रोनाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, अरे तुम कल की बच्ची, तुम क्या बताओगी मुझे?
Ma'am, I'm very much obliged that I have got a very good staff in Sitapur district. Everyone is very much cooperative in that regard.
But suppose you get posted to a new
Ma'am.
place, जहाँ पे आपको लोगों को लगे अरे कल के लोग हैं, क्या शहरी लोग हैं, क्या
Ma'am.
करेंगे, ठीक है? और आप पढ़ लिख के आए हैं, बता रहे हैं ऐसा करेंगे, ऐसा
Ma'am.
करेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे. How would you deal with this situation?
Ma'am, first of all, uh, in that case, age doesn't matter in that regard.
किसको बोलेंगे आप ये?
Ma'am, if it is about people, I need to understand that I have to interact with people or with the staff which is working out there. So first of all, I need to understand that thing. If it is the staff, then I need to make them understand that I have come here through a competitive exam, which itself requires a lot of
तो आप
hard
कैसे
work
करेंगे?
and
अथॉरिटी दिखा
ma'am.
के करेंगे? कैसे करेंगे?
Ma'am, that there has to be a balance between both the things, because only showing authority in the staff will not work. For example, recently if I'm attached in a tehsil, that works like a family. So I will try to make them understand the situation. If sometimes they do not listen to their authority just because they are lesser in age. So
Lesser in age,
yes,
gender,
yes,
there can be
yes.
religion,
Yes,
there can be
ma'am.
many things.
Yes, ma'am. And being a woman also, sometimes I have to face that problem because of gender segregation also. So sometimes I will have to show that authority
And
also.
religion also, if you're
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
about Deepotsav
Ma'am,
and Nevisharanya and all
ma'am,
these things.
ma'am.
So how do you deal with this situation?
Ma'am, first of all, myself, I will have to be very flexible to understand the emotions of others also. I will have to deal with emotional intelligence, because this person sitting in front of me, I would not be able to understand what is going on in his or her mind. So I will need to make a dialogue with that person. Then only I can go to any
So
conclusion.
Farheen, social issue based web series देखना आपको पसंद है?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा देखा आपने सबसे latest?
Ma'am, latest I have seen this Kohra web series is there. It talks about the drug rackets going on prevalent in Punjab region. And also there was a TV series, this Cat was also related to this drug abuse in Punjab region.
Okay. Yes.
There's a Viksit Bharat Yatra going on.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Is it going on in your district also?
Yes, sir.
So tell me about it. What are the challenges they are facing? What is the positive impact it is having?
Sir.
Are people coming to that fence?
Sir, Viksit Bharat Yatra is going on throughout the nation, and also we have made this a very important part of our project in Sitapur district also. There is a mobile van which moves along, and we try to solve the problems of the people out there. We try to, for example, there is I would say, we connect it to the IGRS portal. There is a concept called Integrated Grievance Redressal System. In that, if people have any sort of problem, anything related to any scheme, non-implementation of the scheme, or they have the problem related to some law and order issue or land disputes, then we try to solve those problems with the help of certain authorities, and also with the workforce available with us. And there is a deadline also. And also along with this Viksit Bharat, we try to implement the government schemes which are going on. For example, in the
So
local
how many
level,
complaints have you received till now overall?
sir, we every day from 10 to 12 p.m. We take Jan Sunwai sessions. In that, anyone who wishes to come and directly meet DM sir or the SDMs with their complaints can come with their application. And every day, approximately around 50 to 100 people I try to interact with.
What is the most common issue which people are raising? That this is the most common issue, this is the most common problem.
Sir, most common issue, particularly in Sitapur, what I have seen is the people have problems majorly related to either due to their lands, because the patta granted to them, to the farmers majorly. They have some kind of disputes among 2 or more farmers. Other than that, I majorly see the issues of PM Awas, because they are not being provided Awas on time. So the homelessness with which they come, that is the major issue which I see in Jan Sunwai.
So when someone comes with a issue of patta,
Sir.
so how you solve that? What is the time? Have you solved any of that issue?
Sir, in IGRS, there is a process. This is a process in which, based on the complaint, there is a timeline from 7 days to 1 month. In that time, that complaint has to be solved. So, for example, if that problem is related to granting of patta and there is a dispute among various farmers due to that, so what we try to do is, we try to engage the local lekpals of that area who are in who are in the land is in the jurisdiction of those lekpals. We try to engage those lekpals, and they give the report of that land, that whether this land is related to this farmer or not, and what is the actual issue on ground. Then sometimes if the problem is that it lies in the jurisdiction of 2 or more lekpals, then we try to make a committee, we try to make a team, and then we try to sort out what is the problem. And if need be, if there is a problem of law and order, we also engage the police of that area, police department, and then we collectively solve that problem.
You said your PM Awas Yojana
Sir.
is a major issue in your area.
Sir.
So what is the number of houses which are allocated in your area under PM Awas Yojana?
Sir, I'm actually not very sure about the number of houses allocated, but since the rural population is very much so, there is the problem of this. Actually, what happens is sometimes like Awas is available in some area, but then people want to live in other areas. For example, sir just mentioned about Khairabad. So if Awas is available at Khairabad and people want to live in Tehsil Leharpur, so sometimes this problem also arises.
So let's say 100 people are asking for
Sir.
Awas and you only have
Sir.
50
Sir.
in your quota.
Sir.
So how you identify which 50 will be selected and which?
Sir, we have got that criteria of socio-economic caste census data we have got, and based on that, there is a checklist which we try to
Which includes
analyze. This checklist include whether this person has got a land, any kind of land, if any house is being allocated on the base or to his family member or to himself. Based on this and based on income criteria also, we try to identify who is the most needy of that PM Awas. And still, apart from this also, we try to accommodate them. Like for example, if in PM Awas houses are not available in that area, then we try to accommodate them in certain other schemes also. Like there is a Kashi Ram Yojana. That is very different from PM Awas. That also provides houses to people. Then if availability is there, we try to solve the problems of the people. We try to give them Awas at least to the people.
There is a medical insurance scheme
Sir.
of government. What is the name of that scheme?
Sir, it is PM Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat scheme, sir.
So how many card holders are there? Are you aware of that in your district?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware about the
Okay,
data.
so if I have some issue, where are most of the people going with that card? They are going to government hospital, they are going to private hospital. Are there any private hospitals in Sitapur? Big
Sir,
private hospitals?
Sir, not too much, but there is a facility of government hospital. We have got a separate hospital for women also, separate district hospital for women. Then we have got primary health centers. Again, we have got community health centers working very efficiently in Sitapur. So basically, Ayushman Bharat health card is about secondary and tertiary care. But first of all, we need to ensure that primary health care is also provided to the
Okay.
people there.
My last question, your district, Sitapur.
Sir.
So according to Köppen classification, what
Sir.
will be the name for that?
As per the Köppen classification,
It will be classified as?
Sir, as per the Köppen classification, if I'm not wrong, then it would come under CSA category.
CSA.
CSA category.
A stands for?
A stands for the region where there is based on certain based on aridity it applies A or B. B is more arid. A is comparatively lesser arid region.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Farin, can you name 3 biggest social issues that Indian society is facing right now?
Basically, the biggest social issues, first of all, I would say the issue which is related to women, the glass ceiling which is there, the discrimination being faced by women is one of the major issue being faced in India. Second, the issue is related to development of the vulnerables. There are vulnerables, be it in terms of disabled or the physically challenged. That is also an issue being faced in India. And the third, I would say the biggest challenge in India is being faced these days with the issues being faced by children, like pornography is there, the child abuse is there, children are not able to study. So this kind of issues are very prevalent in India.
Okay. I'll just give you a situation. You are a
Ma'am.
DM of a district. A crowd is progressing to demolish a religious place that is there in your district. It can lead to communal violence. Already there is communal tension
Ma'am.
prevalent in your district. If you stop the crowd, that crowd will get violent. But if you let them pass, they will demolish the religious place.
Ma'am.
Okay, and that will ensue more violence and communal riots. So, as a DM, what steps will you take?
Ma'am, I would take 2 or 3 steps in parallel. First of all, I would try to keep the media out of that place, because sometimes it happens that the issue is very little, but then media tries to escalate that issue. So I will try to keep the media out of that place, and I can take the help of my officers. Like there is an officer named Jan Suchna Adhikari is there. He or she can play a very good role in that regard. Second, what I will do is, ma'am, what happens is in a crowd, very few, like 1 or 2 or maybe 8 or 10 nuisance creating persons are there. Rest the crowd is not very much violent. So I need to identify those persons who are trying to create the nuisance. I'll try to tackle with those people, and I will try to engage the leaders of both the communities. If there is an issue of communal clash between 2 or more communities, I'll try to engage those leaders also, so that they can help out with their people to disperse the crowd, and this kind of situation can be solved in that regard.
What will you do of the crowd that is coming from outside, that is progressing towards your district? How will you deal with that?
Ma'am, if the crowd is coming outside, then to ensure that the crowd does not enter the jurisdiction, the help from the law and order police can be taken, so that there are certain barricades in place, so that everyone does not gather in a small place, because that can create a problem of it can stampede also, it can create stampede also. So that in that case I would take the help of traffic police also, and also the civilian police in that regard, so that the crowd can be managed.
What legal provisions will you be using to take actions?
Ma'am, for the different stakeholders in that crowd, I would apply different legal provisions. For example, law and order can be tackled under various sections of the CRPC. Also, section 144 is there to break that crowd. And then apart from that, those persons, like 1 or 2, may be creating the nuisance there. In that regard, there are certain acts, like there is a Gunda Act, there is a Gangster Act, which can be utilized by the district magistrate of the area to at least get to those persons who are particularly creating nuisance in that sense.
But don't you think you will be criticized for stopping the media from reporting?
But ma'am, it is very important, first of all, to save the lives of the people there, because if in that case, if that happens, if any stampede or anything happens, and if a single life is even lost, that will be the failure of the district magistrate also.
Do you think media helps the administration when something like this happens, or it actually hampers the work of the administration?
Ma'am, it works both ways. Media also helps the administration. For example, sometimes there are tragedies, like sometimes there is a flood in the area, or sometimes there is a drought in the area. Then media plays a very important role. Like, for example, Sitapur is very close to Nepal Himalayas. So earthquake is very common out there. So in that case, media helps a very important role in creating awareness among the people. But on the other hand, sometimes, yes, media also plays a role of people also get panicked because of media.
Almost 60 countries are going to go for elections this
Yes, ma'am.
year. What are the 3 major elections? 3 elections in countries. Which countries are those that everybody is looking, because it's going to shape geopolitics?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to these days keep an eye on the international
3,
relations.
at least 1.
That must be, I think, ma'am, US then.
Not
one
India.
other. Of course, ma'am, India is there.
You're thinking that is the biggest player in the geopolitics right now?
I'm sorry, sir.
आपको नहीं लगता कि भारत पूरी दुनिया
Of
की
course,
geopolitics में
sir.
बहुत
Of
important
course,
role
of
play
course,
करता
sir. India plays a very crucial role in the geopolitics of the world.
है?
India is going to be one of the leaders of the world in the coming years.
How do you think artificial intelligence is going to have an impact on elections?
Ma'am, for now, we are not taking too much from the artificial intelligence, at least in these elections. At least to the level I know, we are proceeding with the earlier mechanisms which we are already having in place. But then artificial intelligence can play a very crucial role in helping the administration as well as in helping the people of the nation to cast their vote. Artificial intelligence can create simulations to create awareness. For example, like in sweep, we try to demonstrate the EVMs. So artificial intelligence can play the role in simulations to teach or to create awareness among the people, and also it can help in the modules which provide training to the staff as well in elections.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए
Sir.
एज एन एसडीएम, आपके ऑफिस में अभी तक कोई ऐसी इमोशनल कोई घटना हो जिसको देख के आप बहुत इमोशनल हो गए, कोई आपसे मदद मांगने आया हो, कोई हमसे शेयर करना चाहोगे आप?
Sir, there is a woman named Anarkali. Almost every second, third day, I have an interaction with that woman. She is very aged, approximately more than 60 years. The problem with her is that everyone in her home has discarded her, and she has got a family, but then no one takes care of her family. Old age is in itself a very crucial issue, actually. So she comes with a problem. She don't have an avas, she don't have a work to do. So we try to help her out. Sometimes we personally try to help her out, and then through every means we try to help this woman in our tehsil.
Do you help?
Yes, sir.
अभी वो खुश है?
Sir, Khush, she remains happy with the officers. She says, literally she says, बाबूजी आप कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा, और मैडम आप कर देंगी तो हो जाएगा. And we try to help her to the extent that we can. But with these kind of interactions, we try to develop a bond with the people out there. I personally do not belong to Sitapur, but then this way we get connected to the people of Sitapur also. That plays a very important role in this service. I actually have started understanding actually what is public service. Before, when I was not in service, that was just a term. But now I am living that moment, that public service.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
रीन, अब फीडबैक का टाइम है.
Sir,
जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया, बहुत कंपोज हो
sir.
और वो फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस दिख भी रहा है. थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा कि सीतापुर की जो डेमोग्राफी है
Sir.
और जो नैमिषारण्य का
Data.
जो सेगमेंट है वो किसी और रीजन की वजह से हाईलाइट नहीं हो पा रहा है. आप
Sir.
बहुत ही कम रिसोर्स में भी उसको कर सकते हो, तो उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं? उसमें थोड़ा सा और कंक्रीट होने की
Sir,
जरूरत है.
Actually, sir, I think off camera.
ये भी ऑन कैमरा.
Okay.
ठीक है.
But at least this is not that mock part. This is discussion part.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, sir, very recently we have started working on Naimisharanya. Like this time, this Deepotsav in Nimsar was really a great event. And actually, sir, major problem on ground is that the areas around Nimsar is there. We don't have locations to stay, because anyone who would come out of their home, they would need a second home to stay, at least a hotel or infrastructure of that kind. So that is not very easy, and that is not a very short term, like we cannot implement that in months. That will take years. So we are trying to planning some projects also, so that some homestays and some infrastructure projects can be developed there, so that people come. Because if anyone would spend money there, he or she would like to stay there for at least 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. So that is why we are
In
trying to
Bastar,
develop that.
Chhattisgarh, they have developed very good homestays.
Sir, sir.
Bastar also had the same problem.
Sir,
They
sir.
have developed very good
Sir.
homestays. You can talk to
Sir.
someone there or
So people, like, we are engaging the village pradhans also in that, and they come with their projects, small projects. They have like 4-5 houses in cluster. They come with their projects, and with CDO ma'am we try to identify those projects also, so that because sir, the problem is that Nimsar is around 30-35 kilometers from Sitapur city. The problem is Sitapur city is very much small compared to the whole district Sitapur, and anyone who would want to visit Naimisharanya would not live in Sitapur and then do like up and down commute from there. That is the major problem, sir.
ये तो अपॉर्चुनिटी है खैराबाद की,
Sir,
हम उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं।
Sir,
बहुत
sir.
गरीबी है वहाँ पे।
sir,
अब मेजर चीज है कि अगर हम देखें तो हम कहीं भी सोशल मीडिया पे नैमिषारण्य में दीपोत्सव आपने कहा
Sir.
सबसे सेकंड, हमने कहीं नहीं
Second.
सुना।
sir,
तो सोशल मीडिया को हम बहुत पॉजिटिवली यूज कर
Sir,
सकते हैं। रही बात कि सारे होटल गवर्नमेंट ही क्यों बनाए,
sir,
हम वहाँ के लोगों, जैसे सर ने कहा होम स्टे आजकल
Sir.
बहुत चल रहा है, लोगों को ही इकोनॉमी में इन्वॉल्व
Sir.
होने दो, टूरिस्ट तो आने दीजिए। अब तो हम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का यूज क्यों नहीं कर सकते, हम वो चीजें और डेवलप क्यों नहीं कर सकते, तो हमें उसके बारे में बताना होगा
sir,
लोगों को।
sir. Social media influencers can be a good.
तो अगर गवर्नमेंट ये करे तो शायद ज्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है,
Sir, sir,
हाईलाइट करे।
sir,
नहीं तो अयोध्या की भी हालत आज से 10 साल पहले
Sir,
बिल्कुल
sir.
ऐसी ही थी।
sir,
हम तो वहां से गुजरते थे, हमने तो यही देखा कि दीवारों पे कालिक कैसे लग जाती है, काई कैसे जम जाती है,
sir,
बट सडनली एवरीथिंग चेंज। नाउ इट्स टाइम ऑफ ब्रांडिंग।
sir, sir,
Government also learned and government officials also learned how to brand this.
sir.
What Amitabh Kant teach us about the
Sir,
Incredible India campaign.
Sir,
Ma'am, आपका observation.
ma'am.
You're very articulate, so that's a good thing.
Thank you.
So
ma'am.
you don't get fazed by the gravity of the question.
Thank you, ma'am.
You stay composed irrespective of how serious or light the question is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving from that, when you're answering that, I'll block media or I'll tell media to stay away. Rather than using such extreme view,
Ma'am,
you can say you
ma'am.
can sensitize them.
Sensitize them, yes.
Yes. Because in communal riots or violence or tensions, perceptions and rumors.
That plays a very important
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to tackle that aspect.
ma'am.
So you have to tackle misinformation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when I asked you 3 issues, social issues, since you like watching web series, you should be more prompt in your answer. You
Yes.
had to think right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the 3 issues? Okay, this
Yes,
could
ma'am.
be one.
Yes, ma'am.
This. So better be like you should be better prepared
Yes,
over
ma'am.
these aspects. That's all. But good interview.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fareen, I would say I'm quite impressed.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are very composed.
Thank you,
Your
ma'am.
knowledge base is good.
Thank you, ma'am.
And your response is very calculated and good response.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm quite happy about that. All the best.
Same from my side, like you're composed, calm, you're a potential candidate.
Thank you.
Just one thing, when I am asking, have you solved any problem of patta or something? Have a case study or positive where
Yes.
you have like connected solved the
Yes,
issue to the
yes.
last mile.
Yes.
You are
yes.
connecting them to Lekpal, and you are like, this is your chance.
Yes.
You can say
yes.
that I solved this issue. So
Yes,
make it
yes,
a
sir.
good impression on that.
Sir, sir.
And also the press wala part.
Sir, sir.
You don't have to block it. You
Sir.
can say that I will give my bite on social media,
Sir, sir.
right? You have to use every medium available,
Sir, sir.
right?
Yes.
And that's all.
मुझे ये रिसेंटली सीखा
हाँ,
सर
सर।
फील्ड में काम करते
ऑफिस वाला कल्चर
ऑफिस कल्चर है ये।
ऑफिस वाला कल्चर वो जी की जगह वो सर हो गया
सर
है
सर
एक्चुअली
बट ये एक चीज बताओ आप, ये जेंडर बायस बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है? सर 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 बोलना, आप मुझे भी सर बोल, मैडम सर वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट
जी
है,
जी जी
जो
जी,
मतलब
जी,
आप
जी।
मुझे भी सर बोल रहे हैं, आप मुझे भी बार
नहीं
बार
आई
सर
ट्राई
बोल-
टू
No, but
से
आपने
मैम
मुझे
आल्सो
सर ही
बट
बोला।
देन
आपने
जी
मुझे सर ही बोला। So I wanted to raise it, but मुझे लगा कि चलो ठीक है, but ये मैडम सर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट
जी।
चल रहा है यहाँ पे कि you know, तो ये
Feeling-
बहुत
नहीं, नहीं, this
strong
can be-
जेंडर बायस है।
दिस कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड
इसको ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा,
Yes, ma'am.
इंटरव्यू में ध्यान रखना।
यस मैम
अभी पिकअप नहीं हुई ये चीज, हो सकता है मेन इंटरव्यू में पिकअप हो जाए।
यस
आप मुझे जब बार बार सर सर बोल
यस
रही हैं,
मैम
so
actually what happens is mostly I get to interact with my
With male
DMs only.
candidates, I
So
understand,
most of most of the time I'm either in his chamber sitting with the
I
sir
understand.
only.
ये तो जितनी ये
I'll
women
try to
IPS
yes ma'am yes
women
ma'am
IPS कैंडिडेट वो हैं ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनके साथ सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ही यही है
ma'am
कि
Madam
उनको
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
उनको कोई मैम बोलता ही नहीं, उनको
Yes,
लोग
ma'am.
सर ही बोलते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
यस सर. उनके कार्ड भी आते हैं तो सर के नाम से ही आते हैं.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
जबकि वो तो ये इसका आप लेकिन इंटरव्यू में ध्यान रखना,
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि आपको बहुत ज्यादा आदत
Yes,
है.
yes, ma'am.
Training. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best. Hope to
Thank
see you among the
Thank you so much.
top ranking.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
हाय, क्या आप भी आईएएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप पीसीएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? बहुत दिनों से आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिली। भागदौड़ करने के बावजूद भी आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा। सिर्फ आपका टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, आपका पेशेंस जवाब दे रहा है। इसी टेंशन को दूर करने और आपकी हर एक समस्या का समाधान लेकर आए हम, यानी ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। यहाँ हम आपको सिखाएंगे आईएएस और पीसीएस जैसे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे आसान तरीके से की जाती है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन फॉलो किया जाता है, कैसे अनुशासन रखा जाता है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम आईएएस और पीसीएस बने और अपनी जिंदगी के सारे सपने पूरे करें, तो अभी ज्वाइन करें ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। बिकॉज when we support the word selfless, the whole universe will support you endlessly.